I remember this room because while sitting out on the patio there, it's kind of a rainy day here in Galveston today. Yeah, a little windy too. Let's do this inside. So while sitting out on the balcony, decided, the heck, I'm not doing anything. Why don't I sign up for the next 5 days? So I ran down to the next 5-day cruise. I ran down to Next Cruises and said, hey, what kind of deal you guys give me if I stay on the ship for the next 5 days? And the guy figured it all out and said, dang, not a bad deal. So I'm staying on back to back to back. Why not? And of course I have to change cabins because this one was taken. So I got an interior, better deal. So I'll be here for the next 5 days. I'll show you a little bit of that process here in a second, so hang around. Well, the first 2 cruises I stayed in the same cabin. So now that I have to move, they told me that just leave the hanging stuff there. They'll move it for me. And just pack up your bags, and so I did. And I guess we're ready. Going to meet at 9 o'clock with the other back-to-back cruisers in the, I believe it's the Emerald Lounge, the lounge up on 5, or Imperial Lounge. So we'll film a little bit of that and see what's going on there. And then come back and, well, they'll lead you through the process and then come back and see if everything made it to the new room. So, God, I hate to leave this guy. It was a nice room. Oh well. Here we are at the Imperial Lounge, all the other back-to-backers. Of course, I'm early. I'm pretty sure this room's going to fill up. Royal Caribbean tested us yesterday. They, last sea day before the end of the cruise, sent us down to get our nasal swab. And they said if you didn't hear anything within a couple hours, you're good. So they didn't come and grab me out of the cabin, so I guess I'm negative. Turned to find out that Norwegian Breakthrough was with us on December the 3rd in Cozumel, or Breakaway, and was docked next to us, and they returned to New Orleans, where they were sailing out of, and I guess they had 20 COVID cases, including one of the new Ami whatever variants. So so far we're doing pretty good. We'll see. Do this 5 days, and it's getting too near Christmas, so I got to get off then. But it's been a great cruise so far. Hopefully the next 5 days will go as well.
Right now, just make sure that you have all your paperwork, all your travel documents, the driver's license, birth certificate, passport, whatever you came on board with, you will need it today again. Also, you're gonna need your vaccination card. Okay? You all got tested yesterday. If you haven't heard from us, this means you're all good. So, yay. Any questions? No? Thank you. I'll be back. We'll be taking you guys outside. You're going to be processed by CBP, Customs and Border Protections. If you don't know what it is, welcome back to your contacts. There's only one. Then, we hope so. You're going to sit down, nice and easy, enjoy life a little bit. There's good internet in the terminal. And then, when I have the okay, we're going to start to bring you guys down to the terminal to check in and do your wellness process again. After that, you can come back on board. I will be giving your new CPAS cards at the terminal. What's going to happen with your old ones? You're going to ask me. We're going to keep it. Security will keep it to make sure that you guys do not mix up. Okay, and then afterwards, you can have it back.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is the last and final call for all guests who are on board and not sailing with us for a consecutive cruise vacation. Please proceed to the gangway located on deck number 4 at this time.
Just down the stairs here, they're right down here. We're going to check you in, do all the wellness process again. If you want to leave, you leave from there, okay? And then if you want to come back, up the stairs into the ship, okay? Questions? Beautiful. Let me give you a CPAS card.
Well, they brought us off the ship. Had to pass by the Customs and Immigration officer over there and show him the passport. sitting here waiting to be processed downstairs. So he's going to take groups of 10 or so after he hands out the cards, our CPAS cards. It seems to be a little dragged out process, but we'll get there. He said there was 102 people that are doing back-to-back on this cruise. So we're offering pretty good deals. And then we made it down to the check-in. I guess we'll show them our CPAS card, our vaccination, and they'll check us in, and then we're back on the ship. Oh, we got to get our photo taken. So the process took, so far, about an hour and 15 minutes. A little long, but what are you going to do? Well, we want to cruise. Back on the ship, so that wasn't too bad. Going to be doing Cozumel and Costa Maya, so I'll get you a little view of that this cruise. And pretty well saw the ship on the last video. So a new stateroom, $86.79. They gave me an additional CPAS card, so we'll have to figure out what this is all about. Okay, interior. Hi everybody. No suitcase. Uh-oh. No clothes. So. Yeah, same bathroom. So we're gonna have to figure out where the heck our stuff's at. Okay, let's go do that. Looks like everything else is here. The water and the cookies. A couple masks. Some hand sanitizer. Just go find my clothes. Well, success. We found the luggage. For some reason it went to 7226, which was a nice cabin, a balcony towards the front of the ship. I don't know how it ended up there, but the people that were there didn't like the idea of swapping rooms, so for some reason. So anyway, the stateroom attendants managed to find it and get it back for me. So it's all here, ready to take the cruise. So it should be another fun 5 days. Costa Maya is going to be a busy place today. It's got the Serenade of the Seas over there. We just pulled in, and it's got the Virgin. Well, let me get you a little better view of this one. Got one of the new Virgin ships in here too. So looks like they have hammocks from their balconies, lounge around in. That's pretty cool. And of course, there's Costa Maya. We'll get off here in a minute and walk around there a little bit at Sheila's request. So, here we go, Sheila. Well, it's the Virgin Scarlet Lady, and right next to the Adventure. Kind of narrow at the cabin structure there, but cool looking ship. And then the Serenade right in front of it, like a wall. Headed over to Costa Maya. Costa Maya. I guess this is where you line up for your tours. Dolphin encounter, swim with the dolphins, snorkeling, raft and swim, beach snorkeling. Gotta have something about a Mayan ruins here. That's about it. Unless you want to do some shopping. So we'll go check out the shopping entrance here to Costa Maya. The little town's a little further in. And they funnel you right through where the cigarettes and alcohol. Imagine that. That must be their big money makers. I'm surprised they're not jewelry here. Spoke too soon. Jewelry. 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 And some local crafts. And the center, just basically a waiting pool. And some exotic drinks in a shopping area. Not bad. It's the way to do shopping. And And in the back of the place, you can catch your shuttle or your bus, I guess, to the tours or to the town. Little area you can swim with the dolphins up ahead here. And that's pretty much it. Well, that's pretty much it for Costa Maya. Basically, it's an early shopping stop for those that can't wait to get to Cozumel. Well, day 4 of the cruise. Made it over to Cozumel. Nice. A little breezy, but nice day. Just stopped here at the little cruise pier stores and bought some souvenirs. Okay, here we go. This may be the best shot of the day. Got the Viking ship, the Viking Star, Carnival Breeze, another newer, bigger Carnival ship there behind it. I don't know which that one is. It looks like even behind that there may be a Virgin ship. I see the red. And of course us, there's nobody on the other side of us at the Royal Caribbean dock yet. I'll go over there and show you that. Okay, this is a little better, a little less breezy. Anyway, this is the Royal Caribbean dock. And right outside of those, you can catch a cab. I think it's probably $10. Takes you a couple miles into the Cozumel shopping district. Down there about where the other cruise ships are. That's the, I think the city dock they call that. That's where the shopping district is, right down in that area. Right along the main drag there. You can do some shopping. Ended up spending 14 days on the Adventure of the Seas. Had a great time. Met some wonderful people. Saw some interesting places, even though it was repetitive. Saw Cozumel 3 times and Costa Maya twice. Cruising out of Galveston wasn't bad. I'm going to have to do this again. It's just great being back on a cruise ship, even though you have to wear a mask while inside. Hopefully that'll go away soon. So I'm looking forward to my future cruises. See you soon.